Bookmarking. In this short video, we will explore how to use the bookmarking function in the Finds Hub website. The bookmarking function allows you to bookmark both finds and sites. For bookmarking finds, now the best way to start linking your chosen finds record to the record for its discovery site is by bookmarking it. You can do this by clicking on the blue bookmark symbol on the right-hand side of the search list, or in the top right-hand corner of the record itself if you're in the detailed description view. When you click on the bookmark symbol, a comment box will pop up. You can use this to make a note of why you're bookmarking the record, for example, finds or site records for a certain place, or the date that you started working on a set of records, for example, bookmark records from the 12th of December, so that you can go back to it at another time and remember why you bookmarked it. It doesn't matter if you leave the bookmark comment box blank, these comments will not be saved once you have unbookmarked the record. If you click on the Bookmarks tab at the top of the page, your bookmarked object record should now appear on the Bookmarks list. It is worth remembering that there may be more than one object from a discovery site. One way to spot this is by sorting your records by record name. Object records with successive accession numbers may well come from the same discovery site. You can check this by viewing the detailed information from these records. Alternatively, you can bookmark other objects from a discovery site once you have found and bookmarked the record for the discovery site itself. Bookmarking sites. The next step is to find a discovery site to link your object or objects to. Click on your chosen object record again and try to find information within this record, which will help you to find a discovery site record to link it to. This could be the site name, the excavator, the parish, or even the museum accession number. When you've decided on a useful search term, for example, a place name or parish, click on the Search tab at the top of the page. Enter your chosen search term in the search box and choose the type of search you want to make. You can do this by using the Match and Datasets options underneath the search box. For most searches, choose All Words in the Match Search option. If you're looking for a specific museum accession number, choose the Exact Text option. When you're choosing which datasets to search, make sure that you only include datasets which contain site records, not the ones that contain object records. These include CAMO sites, Aberdeenshire HER, Highland HER monuments, Highland HER events, and scheduled monuments. CAMO sites and scheduled monuments in the Finds Hub cover most of northern Scotland. HER records cover sites within specific regions of Scotland, for instance, Aberdeenshire. It may be possible to link your chosen object record to both a CAMO site and a regional HER record. You may also be able to link your object to both a monument and an event record in the Highland HER. This is really helpful if there have been several excavation events at one site. You can bookmark as many or as few site and object records as you want to at one time. Once you have entered your search term and chosen your search options, you are ready to click on the search button. This will produce a list of potential discovery sites to link your object record to. In an ideal world, your search will identify only a handful of possible site records to link to. If the search produces no sites or alternative too many sites, you can go back to your object record and refine your search. For instance, you could add the parish name, terms like NMAS, a commonly used old acronym for National Museums of Antiquities of Scotland, or just museum, or even the object type alongside the site name in the All Words search. If you do this, a search will be undertaken on all of these terms at once. Use the back and forward arrows at the top left-hand corner of your browser to toggle between your chosen object record and the search list if you want to go back to your original search. If you want to start a new search, just click on the Search tab at the top of the screen and you can start afresh. You can find more detailed information about discovery sites in your search by clicking on the individual site records in the list. You might also like to visit the full record for the site on the data provider's own website. Click on the link in the blue box. Once you have identified a site record you want to link to, you can bookmark this record in the same way as you bookmarked your chosen find record. Click on the bookmark symbol on the right-hand side of the search list, or in the top right-hand corner of the site record itself if you are looking at the detailed description. When you click on the Bookmarks tab at the top of the page, both your bookmark finds record and your bookmark site record should now appear in the bookmarks list. If you can't find a discovery site to link your object record to, don't be disheartened. This is potentially really interesting. Please click on the object record and make a note of your failed attempt in the comment box under the Other Information tab. If you identify an online site record to link your finds records to, for instance in Camwell, which is not currently in the Finds Hub, please also make a note of this and add in the URL to the record on the Camwell website. This information will help other Finds Hub contributors know if a failed attempt has already been made to link this find record to its discovery site.